But then Radharani glorifies him in the Venu Gita, chapter 19 of the 10th canto, verse 21 or so. Haridas Varya, you were the greatest of the Haridasas, Viraj. So by worshipping Viraj Shila, he's the greatest devotee, so devotees are Vaishnava Kripambudi, they're an ocean of mercy. Ambudi, ocean of mercy, so you worship Viraj. Viraj, Dharan Ki Jai. Then Viraj, Bhagavan Sri Krishna as Haridas, will give you the Sakshat Darshan of Hari, Shamsundar, and the direct service of the lotus seat of Krishna and Radharani in the Kunjas Vrindavan. So as Gaudiyas, we worship Mahaprabhu and Govardhan and Radha Krishna. This is best. Nothing more required. What extra things do we need? Chant Shuddhanam without any offenses. Very quickly travel off the scale through Nishtha and Ruchi and progress in pure bhakti. As long as aparads are there, that means no Shuddhanam. Shuddhanam means the absence of aparad. Only two forms of chanting described in the Tika of the 6th canto of Bhagavatam on the Ajamil story by Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur. There's a 25-page purport there. That'll keep you busy. It's in English, Thomas translated. He describes there's two levels of chanting. Aparadna and Vaikuntha Arohan. Arohan, like Ava, Arohapanta, and Avaroha. Descending, Avaroha, ascending. So he said there's two stages, there's not a third stage, there's two stages. Either you're chanting with Nam Aparad, when the aparads cease, then it's Vaikuntha Arohana. Vaikuntha Arohana means you ascend to Vaikuntha. So as soon as you chant with aparads, you go to Vaikuntha. Ajamil, he was chanting. He chanted Vaikuntha Arohana, so the Vaikuntha, the Vishnudutas came from Vaikuntha. Then the Yamadutas were there taking him. They said, hey, the Yamaduta said, he's sinful, he's coming with us. And he said, no, he chanted Shuddhanam. And sins are gone. Now he's going to Vaikuntha. So then they went, the Yamadutas went back to Yamaraj. And they had a long discussion. Who are these guys? They should do this. So then he was saved, all that karma, all his prabha karma, everything was finished. All that prabha karma of prostituting 80 years and 10 kids and all these things. It was all finished. And then he left and he got total detachment. He went to Haridwar and continued his Nam Bhajan. So he went from Mr. Ruchi. Already he stopped making offenses by chanting Shuddhanam, all sins gone, saved from death. There's no more sins. You can't go to hell unless you have sins. There's no sins. So what to do? But you're not in praying. You have to do more bhajan. So they went to Vaikuntha, did more Nam bhajan. All the time it was Shuddhanam. Shuddhanam from the time he called out for his child, Narayan. And then finish. It was Shuddhanam. And then he went on.